Hi, I'm Josh Benwell with the Customer Journey team at Eplan USA, and this is Eplan Shorts. Quick tips to help you in your design process. Today, Christopher Aldrett will be giving you insight into connecting Siemens Teamcenter with the Eplan platform. Please let us know if you have any questions or comments or what solutions you'd like to see next.
Hello and welcome to a brief overview of Eplan's solution to connect Teamcenter with the Eplan platform. The Eplan platform uses the integration suite technology to provide a basic connection between an ERP PDM system. The Eplan platform incorporates the Eplan integration suite as a traffic cop, which manages direction and flow of project documents between an ERP PDM system and the Eplan platform. This allows a bidirectional flow of document control between the two entities, including check-in and check-out of documents, BOMs, neutral format documents, and parts metadata. So in a typical enterprise, the PDM system is going to be the single source of truth. The Eplan platform is going to feed the PDM system data, and then the ERP or PDM integration suite is going to act as a traffic cop between the Eplan platform and a special product connector, ultimately linking that data to the ERP or PDM system. In the case of the Teamcenter application, the special product connector will be the Siemens Teamcenter connector. The connector is developed by Eplan in partnership with Siemens Teamcenter connector. It upgrades as the platform upgrades. The requirements are Eplan Platform 2023 or higher, Harness Pro D 2023 or higher, and Siemens Teamcenter 13.2. For information about product compatibility, check out the More Details link. So let's start a live demo. We'll start from the platform side. So in this case, we'll start up Electric P8 and use a part from the data portal, sync it over to Teamcenter, and then use that in a project. So we'll start with the data portal. We'll look for a motor part and then add that to our parts management. So let's bring in a motor, just a general type of motor. Import the motor. And now that the motor's imported, we'll take a look at it in parts management. So notice we have two columns in the field selection, both part number and ERP number. The ERP number is blank, so we're going to use the Teamcenter connector and sync the part. So we'll add some text in here saying new from Eplan. And that part field, that designation field, will be synced over to the Teamcenter side. So let's click Library Export. We'll get a notice that the export's complete. So now in the background, the integration suite requests that the Teamcenter connector make another request to Teamcenter to supply this part a ERP number, which will then appear in the ERP number column, indicating that the part has been synced. And once that happens, we can use the part in a project. So close this. And now go over to the active workspace on the Teamcenter side and do a search for our new part. It should be at the very top, this list, there it is. And so this part can be modified on the Teamcenter side. We'll do a checkout and do a small edit to the designation. Type in modification from Teamcenter or TC. And we can save this and check the part back in and go back to parts management system on the Eplan platform side, sync the part by clicking library import, and then in parts management, we should see changes as soon as the sync is complete. Just take a second, and there it is, modification from TC. So part modification creation is completely bi-directional between Eplan and Teamcenter. So let's create a small project, including our new part. We'll click Open Template and log into the Teamcenter EDA called by our connector. Give ourselves a role. And right now, we're requesting a project template. It's been pre-assigned in Eplan. And so the project template in this case is just a ZW1 file. And we will check out a project from Teamcenter, open it up in Eplan, assign a new item number to that project, and then we can proceed to populate the project with macros and any parts that are synced. So we'll place some basic ladder 3-phase, and then components, and motor circuit. And now we'll place a second motor circuit, and this time we'll include our newly synced part from parts management. Overwrite the existing properties. And now we can insert a few structures to identify one section of the project from another, and then create a structured bill of materials that will show the various parts in each structure in its own separate bill of materials unit inside of Teamcenter. Let's create MC1 and MC2, or M1, M2 rather. And then finally, a structure for the panel itself. And now that we've got those structures assigned, we can go to the Teamcenter connector and save this new project as a new project with a structured bill of materials, a call to the integration suite. You'll notice that our criteria is grouped by location designation. So all of our bills of materials will be grouped by individual location designation. We take a look at M2. All the parts from M2 are in one. The only part in A1 is in another. Now we can click OK. And a call will be made to the EDA gateway once again. And we can make a change to this new UID, give it something a little bit more user-friendly. Demo, 14 September. And include a PDF and the bills of materials by clicking the appropriate checkboxes. Now we'll check the project in and finish. And now in the background, and we'll pull over the EDA gateway menu, the connector is requesting that Eplan perform some operations like exporting the project to a PDF, exporting a bill of materials, and then finally removing the project from local parts management. And on the Teamcenter side, we'll be able to locate our new project in the appropriate folder. Let's go to the very top. Sort this object string by descending. We'll see our project, NFPA TC demo 14 September, and we'll get a brief overview. We can look at the attachments, which include the ZW1 archive itself, the PDF, which you can download or open in a native workspace viewer, active workspace viewer. And then finally, we can take a look inside the active workspace at the bills of material, which are broken out in the variance column. Look at A1, you can go to the content of A1 and see all of our parts, or part in this case, just the one power supply. And that is it. That is the functionality of the Teamcenter connector. In conjunction with the Eplan platform, creation of parts, projects, bills of material synchronized between the two systems. For more information about the integration suite, check out the link below. Thank you for your time.